In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll down again to hit one-handed mode and use the switcher to turn it on or off. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, mine is working properly. To go back, you can click on this area at the top or simply swipe up. To disable one-handed mode, use blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!